Types of hot forging. Closed die forging. The deformation of metal under pressure within a die cavity. Forgeable parts with slightly complex shapes. Uniform dimensions. Ring rolling process. Creating large size rings. Radial forging. Forging high in stock. Roll forging is suitable for the preforming of bar stock and shaft parts. Rotary swagging. Dies and workpiece undergo rotary extrusion deformation. Low forming force. Smooth surface. Free forging. Part shape controlled by the craftsman's experience.